Hi everyone and welcome to another one of my nail videos. So today I'm going to be doing a bit of an unboxing on some new nails that I've ordered. I have not ordered them yet. I've literally just taken them out of this jiffy bag here. So let's get started and hopefully these nails will look absolutely stunning. So, these nails are from the Etsy seller My Luxe Nails. So, this is what we get in the packet. So, it's just a little bit of how you apply your nails. You get some antibacterial wipes there. You get a nail file, a cuticle pusher backer, and I believe that says thank you on the little card there. So very nice packaging. Looks like marble. Very nice. So then we get to the nails. Now please do bear with me with the little noises in the background. I've bought my cats some toys and they're currently playing with them, so if you hear the bells, that's what it is. So let's get into these nails. So I believe that there should be 3 sets of nails. So what we'll do is we'll go for the smaller packet first, which is this one. Okay, so let's have a look at this. There's no sellotape or anything on the box. Can I get in it one-handed is the question. Oh, come on. There we go, like a pro. Alright, so play my... Oh, okay, so as it's Valentine's Day, they've obviously got in the mood. We've got this beautiful little love here. There looks to be confetti. Yeah. And the nails are stuck down on sticky tape. Look at them, aren't they gorgeous? So these nails, let's just have a look at the price so then I can tell you. So these particular nails were £20 and 35 pence. I got them in the shape regular stiletto, and they are in size M, and they are called Valentine Pink Victorian Flourish press-on nails with glitter and crystals. So I'm very impressed with those so far. The gems that are on them seem to have been stuck down with gel, not just plain old super glue, which is what we want because otherwise they will come off. So I'm very happy with those so far. They look very nice, so pretty, so shiny, and I can't wait to wear them. And I love this. I think that is such a beautiful touch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these ones away, and I'm going to have a look at the next ones. Now my cat is here to say hello, so say hi to Jasper. Jasper. No. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at these ones. So again, plain box. Oh, and we even get 2 more nail files and cuticle pushers. Look at this. Oh, look, we've got more confetti. Yes, Jasper. Oh. Okay. So I'm getting confetti everywhere now. So this, it's a cute idea. However, I feel as though the fact that the confetti is on top of this, it might get a bit messy. Oh. Okay, wasn't that bad. Alright, so these are the other 2 sets of nails that we've gone for. Now, I really liked the design on these. It was this that I loved. This here. That's what I love. And I couldn't choose between the 2 colours, so I had to go for both. Now, let's just get the price up for you on these. So these are £22 and 97 pence each. This one here is called Valentine Press-On Nails Grey Nude with hand-painted flowers/roses. And then these ones are called Valentine Press-On Nails Mauve Nude with hand-painted flowers/roses. Both of them are in the shape regular coffin. Both of them are in size M. And I'll be perfectly honest with you guys, I am very, very impressed. I have never had a bad set of nails from this seller. They always come so professionally done, so beautiful. I mean, look at that rose. Look at that. It's absolutely stunning. Please excuse all of the little hair off the cotton wool bag, but look at them. They're just gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at them. So they are the nails. The only thing that I'm a little disappointed with is just these. I wish that this would have been, you know, like in there like this, rather than on top of the cotton, because when I took the cotton out, all of these little bits went all over everywhere. But apart from that, I think it's a very cute little touch, and I love the effort that she's gone into to you know, to do that. So these are the nails. I'm going to put a link in the description to all of the nails that I've shown you in this video. Like I said, every single nail set that I've ever had from this person has been incredible. They've lasted a long time, and they've just been the utmost quality. So I do highly recommend them, and I've not even got them on yet. So, like I said, I'll put the link in the description. If you want to buy them, you can do. They are a UK-based seller, so I don't know whether that will be a little bit more expensive, obviously, if you live outside of the UK. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe. Please pop a comment in the comments box telling what you think about the nails, any improvements or anything like that that you want to give. I'm open to them. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.